Good morning children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know that our fourth chapter is going on, that is division. Here today we are going to start exercise 4H, that is word problem. Today we will do 6 questions from this exercise and then the remaining one we will do tomorrow. So let's start doing the exercise 4H. So children, this is our exercise 4H given on page number 81. These questions are based on word problems. Okay, for questions we will see in our book. Okay, we will read the questions from book and then we will write the question in short in our classwork copy and then we will solve it. So children, let's see the questions given on page number 81, exercise 4H. First question is, the cost of 4 chocolates is rupees 52. What is the cost of 1 chocolate? Okay, 4 chocolates is for rupees 52. Then what will be the cost of 1 chocolate? Let's see the solution. So as you can see in our copy, I have written question in short, cost of 4 dash dash and 1 chocolate. Okay, then we will solve it. Cost of 4 chocolates is equal to rupees 52. Cost of 1 chocolate is equal to 52 divided by 4. When we will divide 52 by 4, we will get 4 ones are 4, 5 minus 4 will be 1. Then 2 we will copy, it will become 12, 4 3s are 12. So, cost of 1 chocolate is rupees 13. Clear? So 13 will be the answer for question number 1. Now question number 2. Manish has rupees 84. The cost of 1 pencil box is rupees 14. How many pencil boxes can Manish buy for rupees 84? Manish is having rupees 84. Total amount is rupees 84 he is having. And then cost of 1 pencil box is rupees 14. Okay. 1 pencil box is of rupees 14. Then how many pencil boxes can Manish buy for rupees 84? So how many box will come in rupees 84? Let's see the solution. Question I have written again in short. Then solution. Manish has rupees 84. Cost of 1 pencil box is equal to rupees 14. Number of pencil boxes can be bought is rupees 84. In rupees 84, it is written 84 divided by 14. Then we will divide 84 by 14 and 14 6 are 84. Okay, so 6 pencil boxes can be bought in rupees 84. Clear? Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is, the cost of 1 pen is rupees 18. How many pens can be bought for rupees 648? It is same as question number 2, that one pen is of cost rupees 18. Then how many pens can be bought in rupees 648? So let's see the solution. Solution is, cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees 18. Then number of pens can be bought for rupees 648 is equal to 648 divided by 18. Now we will divide 648 by 18. 18 3s are 54, 4 minus 4 will be 0, 6 minus 5 will be 1 and 8 we will copy. It will become 108, 18 6 are 108. Okay, then how many pens can be bought? 36 pens can be bought in rupees 648. Now let's see question number 4. Question 4 is, Rakesh distributed rupees 875 among 25 children equally. How much money did each child get? Rakesh is having 875 rupees and he had to distribute this amount in 25 children equally. So how much money will all children get, that we have to take out. So let's see the solution. Solution is, as I have written question in short, Then I have done solution. Total amount is rupees 875. Rakesh distributed this 875 among 25 children equally. Then each child will get. So we will divide 875 by 25. We'll get 25 3s are 75. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 8 minus 7 will be 1. And 5 we will copy. It will become 125. So 25 5s are 125. So each child will get rupees 35 equally. Okay. Now question number 5. The total number of seats in a train is 576 and there are 8 compartments. All the compartments have the same number of seats. How many seats are there in each compartment? So I am going to explain you the question first. That it is saying that total number of seats in a train is 576. In a whole train, seats are 576 and there are 8 compartments. So all compartments have the same number of seats. So how many seats are there in each compartment? Okay, this you have to take out. So see, let's see the solution. Question I have written in short. Solution is total number of seats in a train is 576. Then number of compartments are 8. So we have to divide the number of seats in each compartment. We have to find out the number of seats in each compartment is equal to 576 divided by 8. Now we will divide it. 8 7s are 56. 7 minus 6 will be 1. 6 we will copy. It will become 16. So 8 2s is 16. So 72 seats will be there in each compartment. Okay. So 72 is the answer for question number 5. Question number 6. A computer operator composes 1800 words in 24 minutes. How many words does he compose in 1 minute? So computer operator is composing 1800 words in 24 minutes. So how many words he will compose in 1 minute? Let's see the solution. Solution is number of words composed by computer operator in 24 minutes is equal to 1800. Number of words he will compose in 1 minute. So 1800 divided by 24. Let's divide 1800 by 24 and we will get that how many words he will compose in 1 minute. So 24 7s are 168. Now we will subtract it. 0 will borrow 1 from 8. It will become 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2. Then it will become 7. 7 minus 6 will be 1. And 0 we will copy. It will become 120. 24 5s are 120. So 75 words he will compose in 1 minute. Clear? So these are the 6 questions which we are going to do today. I am going to send you the picture of these questions on your WhatsApp. If you will have any problem anywhere, so you can ask me. Children, for your homework today, you have to repeat these questions in your rough copy again for practice. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, children.